Good day! Our topic for this day is all about application of hyperbola, and I am Sir Reagan Junicio, a mathematics teacher. So let's talk about some properties of hyperbola. Okay, so at any point on this hyperbola, so we have the distance from the two focus. Label this as D1 and D2. Now, the difference between the focal distance of the hyperbola is constant, which is the same as the transverse axis, meaning 2a or twice of the value of a. So, pag minus natin, yung distance ng D1 minus D2, automatic, ang makukuha nating distance ay yung length ng ating transverse axis. Now, let's apply this in a situation. Let's have an example. So, an explosion is heard by two stations 1,200 meters apart, located at the focus 1, negative 600, 0, and 600, 0. Since 1,200 apart, so take 600. Pag pinalat natin sa Cartesian plane, yung origin yung center nila. Okay? So, if the explosion was heard in focus 1, 2 seconds before it was heard in focus 2, ibig sabihin, mas malapit sa focus 1 yung pagsabog. So, identify the possible location of the explosion. So, use 340 meter per second as a speed of sound. The question is identify the possible location of the explosion. Meaning, ang goal lang natin dito is we need to find the equation of that hyperbola na kung saan natin matatagpuan yung explosion. Okay? So, let's have the solution. Okay, using the given speed of sound, we deduce that the sound traveled is 340 times 2 or 680 meters farther in reaching the focus 2 than reaching the focus 1. This is then the difference of the distances of the explosion from the two stations. It also follows that yung ating equation must form a hyperbola. Okay? So now, explain natin yung part na mas maagang na-receive nung focus 1 kumbaga sa focus 2. Okay, let's have an illustration. So, station 1 and station A and station B. So, ito yung explosion. Like this. Okay? Now, nung sumabog yung explosion, ang tendency, magta-travel yung sound like this. Okay? Now, na-receive na nung station A. Okay? Now, after 2 seconds, saka pa lang narinig ni station B. Okay? So, kung mapapansin, this is your D1 and this is your D2. Na pag pinag-minus natin yung D1 minus yung D2. So, bale, yung yellow plus yung red minus yung yellow. So, ang matitira na lang is yung red part. Okay? So, meaning, gano'n to kahaba? This is D1 minus D2 is equals to 340 times 2 or simply 680. Now, alam natin na yung difference between those distances is equivalent to our 2A o yung ating transverse axis. So, we can set 2A equals to 680. Therefore, A is equals to 340. Now, we have A. So, makakagawa na tayo ng formula kasi yung center natin is at the origin lang naman. So, ang kailangan na natin dito is yung B. Okay? So, ito yung illustration. So, therefore, the explosion is on a hyperbola with the foci are F1 and F2. And mas malapit siya yung pagsabog sa F1 or dun sa focus number 1. And ganito yung illustration niya. So, ito yung focus 1, focus 2. Okay, so dito sa may 600, negative 600 and positive 600 ng x-axis. Next, yung explosion is mas malapit kay focus 1. Bakit? Kasi mas maaga niyang narinig compare kay focus number 2. So, actually, pwede rin naman yan dito sa bandang ibaba. Okay? So, it doesn't matter. So, ang goal lang natin, hanapin yung equation niya. Okay? Yung position. Yung possible location. Okay? So, now, in this case, A natin is 340 na compute natin kanina. Yung C natin is 600. Bakit naging 600 yung C? Kasi yun yung distance ng focus kay center. Okay? So, yung distance ng focus kay center is 600. Distance nung center kay vertex is 340. Na-compute na natin yun kanina sa D1 minus D2. Okay? Now, yung goal is to find the value of B. So, how to find the value of B? So, we use the formula A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. Now, A natin is 340 squared plus B squared equals to 600 squared. Now, solving this, we have 600 squared minus 340 squared. Now, 600 squared will give us 360,000. So, minus 340 squared. 340 squared is 115,600. So, pag pinag-subtract, the answer is 244,400. And that's B squared. Now, hindi ko na solve yung B. Bakit? Kasi yung equation natin, kung natatandaan, x squared over a squared lang yun, minus y squared over b squared. So, b squared yung kailangan natin doon. So, hindi ko na to kailangan i-extract yung root. Okay? So, we have the standard form ng ating hyperbola. So, palitan natin. So, x squared over, yung a squared natin, 340 squared. Ang 340 squared ay 115,600 minus y squared over b squared. So, copying ko lang yung b squared equals to 1. And, as always, we are done. That's it. Ganun lang yung kailangan natin gawin. So, hanapin lang natin dito yung possible location of the explosion.